Hi, I'm Vikesh, and I'm presenting the product demo for our title entry, the use of augmented reality in collaboration within the construction industry. As a user of this application, which will be the civil engineers, when starting it up for the first time, I'm required to log in to my account. After successfully logging in, I'll be brought to the home page of the application with its features on it. Starting with the AR sites. This feature solves my main problem, which is the struggle in visiting my project site during the pandemic. And as a harassed civil engineer and a user of this application, I can choose which project site I want to work on by either selecting on the map or on the search bar. After selecting, I'll be brought to the AR interface. Firstly, on the left hand side shows the time and the date. In the middle will be the navigation panel, and on the right will be all the indicators of the different areas of the site. So firstly, if I want to place a 3D model on the construction site, I will click on the third icon, select a 3D model from the list and place it anywhere in the AR site, and also adjusting its properties, which is the area and its position. This so that I can have a better view on how this particular 3D model will be look like in the site itself. Also, by referring on the floor indicators, I can perform further construction related matters on it. So for the example, I will select the classroom 05, which is the blue indicator, and it brought to the specific construction site itself. So in here I can perform further AR related matters. For example, I can get a comprehensive detail and a 360-degree view of a concrete beam, which will be the blue indicator here, and this is the comprehensive properties of the concrete beam that I would get with its 3D model and have a 360-degree view of the model itself. This same applies to all construction tools that can be found in this area itself. So for example, there's a Hilti model DXA40 in blue in green indicator. Click on it and I have the complete list of the details of the model and its relevant components, as well as a 360-degree view of it itself. Adding on with this feature, I can also make measurements of a structure remotely. I will have to click on the third icon, select the specific unit. I will need to drag from the starting point of the structure to the ending point of the structure, and with the application of artificial intelligence to identify the structure and its properties. So as you can see here, it's successfully identified. It's a concrete column, and the properties is the height, the length, and its width. Having said so, the system in overall aims to enhance the functionality of augmented reality in its application within the construction industry by supplementing it with additional systems such as the overlay display of measurement as you saw earlier, and a productivity features in an all-in-one suite for ease of access to civil engineers. This simulates the day-to-day interaction of civil engineers to assist them in carrying out their job scope in a remote environment. For example, a project management system, a live conference system, a live chat, a shared file system, as well as a collaborative workspace where we can brainstorm the ideas and work on a specific task. Therefore, this improves the productivity, as inconveniences will not be burdened by the civil engineers with inadequate information of the job site or difficulty contacting any of the other team members itself. And that's all for my product demo. Thank you very much.